zoom in here.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One of the benefits of being the audio guy, he can have his own audio all the time.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Bring her home, Gordy. Bring her home.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at you. He can walk. He's cured.
Any quotes for the camera you'd like to share?
I'm stoked he told me I couldn't do it. Because I needed it.
How's that back feeling?
Power through the pain, bitches.
Yeah, there's no pain, is there?
Fuck that.
Nah.
That did not hurt a bit.
I told you.
There you go.
I told you.